Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Emily, and today we're going to talk about something that affects millions of people around the world, the thyroid. This tiny gland in your neck has a massive impact on your energy, weight, mood, and even your skin. Many people suffer from thyroid problems for years without even realizing it. So, in this video, we'll break it all down: what the thyroid is, how it works, what symptoms to watch out for, and the best natural ways to support your thyroid health. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share some very practical lifestyle tips that can make a real difference. What is the thyroid gland? Let's start simple. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck, just below the Adam's apple. It might be small, but it controls some of the most important functions in your body. Think of it as your internal engine. It decides how fast or slow your body runs. It produces two main hormones, T3 and T4. These hormones travel through your bloodstream and affect almost every cell: your heart rate, metabolism, digestion, body temperature, and even how quickly your brain works. When your thyroid works properly, your body runs smoothly. But when it slows down or speeds up, everything gets out of balance. There are two main problems that can happen. Hypothyroidism, when your thyroid doesn't produce enough hormones. Hyperthyroidism, when it produces too much. Both can cause very different symptoms, and both need attention. Common symptoms of thyroid problems. Let's talk about how you can recognize thyroid issues early. If your thyroid is underactive, hypothyroidism, you might notice constant fatigue, no matter how much you sleep, weight gain that doesn't make sense, feeling cold even when others are comfortable, dry skin, thinning hair, brittle nails, constipation, a puffy face, especially around the eyes, depression or low mood, slower heart rate. Now, if your thyroid is overactive, hyperthyroidism, the symptoms are quite the opposite. Unexplained weight loss, rapid or irregular heartbeat, feeling anxious or restless, trouble sleeping, sweating a lot, trembling hands, muscle weakness, more frequent bowel movements. Sometimes people don't realize it's a thyroid problem. They think they're just tired or stressed. That's why awareness is so important. If you've been feeling off for weeks or months and can't find a reason, get your thyroid levels checked. How thyroid imbalance affects your body. When your thyroid hormones are off, your entire body feels it. Let's start with metabolism. Thyroid hormones are like the gas pedal for your metabolism. Too little hormone slows it down. You gain weight easily and feel sluggish. Too much speeds it up. You burn energy too fast and feel anxious or shaky. Your heart is affected too. An underactive thyroid can slow your heart rate, while an overactive one can make it race. Either extreme puts strain on your cardiovascular system. Your digestive system also reacts. Hypothyroidism can cause constipation because everything slows down, while hyperthyroidism can lead to frequent bowel movements or diarrhea. Then there's your mental health. People with thyroid issues often struggle with anxiety, irritability, or depression. It's not in your head. It's chemical. Your brain depends on the right level of thyroid hormones to maintain balance. Your skin and hair also give clues. Dry skin, hair loss, or brittle nails often trace back to low thyroid function. Hyperthyroid patients may notice thinning hair and excessive sweating. And finally, reproductive health. Thyroid hormones are closely linked with estrogen and progesterone. Imbalances can cause irregular periods, infertility, or even complications during pregnancy. The point is, the thyroid affects nearly every organ in your body. That's why it's crucial to keep it in balance. Natural ways to support thyroid health. Now let's move to the good part: what you can do naturally to support your thyroid. These tips are not a replacement for medical treatment, but they help your thyroid function at its best. Number 1 is, eat foods rich in iodine. Your thyroid needs iodine to produce hormones. Good sources include seaweed, fish, dairy, and iodized salt. But remember, too much iodine can also be harmful, so moderation is key. Number 2 is, include selenium-rich foods. Selenium helps convert T4 to the active T3 hormone. You'll find it in Brazil nuts, eggs, tuna, and sunflower seeds. Even 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can make a difference. Number 3 is, add zinc and iron to your diet. Both are essential for healthy thyroid function. Include foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, spinach, and lean meats. Number 4 is, focus on a balanced diet. Cut down on processed sugar and refined carbs. These cause inflammation and can worsen hormone imbalance. Eat whole grains, vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, and plenty of water. Number 5 is, watch out for goitrogens. Certain foods, like soy, cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower, can interfere with thyroid function if eaten in very large amounts. Cooking them usually reduces the effect, so don't panic, just keep things balanced. Number 6 is, manage your stress. Stress directly affects your thyroid because it raises cortisol levels, which can block thyroid hormone production. Practice yoga, meditation, or even just deep breathing for 10 minutes daily. Number 7 is, get enough sleep. Your hormones repair and balance themselves while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Number 8 is, exercise regularly. Physical activity improves your metabolism and helps regulate hormones naturally. Even a brisk 30-minute walk every day supports your thyroid and mood. And number 9 is, take care of your gut health. A healthy gut helps your body absorb nutrients that your thyroid needs. Include probiotics like yogurt, kefir, or fermented foods. Remember, your thyroid loves balance, not extremes. No crash diets, no fasting for days, and no miracle pills. Your body thrives on steady, sustainable care. Precautions and when to see a doctor. Natural remedies are great, but it's equally important to know when to get professional help. If you notice sudden weight changes, persistent fatigue, or swelling in your neck, it's time to see a doctor. A simple blood test can check your thyroid hormone levels, TSH, T3, and T4. If you're already on thyroid medication, never stop it suddenly or change your dose without medical advice. Consistency is critical. Skipping medication or trying to fix it naturally overnight can make things worse. Also, certain supplements, like high-dose iodine or herbal blends, can interfere with your thyroid or your medication. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting anything new. And don't ignore symptoms just because they seem small. Thyroid issues develop slowly. Catching them early makes treatment easier and more effective. So, to wrap it all up, your thyroid may be small, but it's one of the most powerful glands in your body. It controls how you feel, how you think, and how you move through life. If you take care of it with the right nutrition, rest, and a bit of mindfulness, your body will thank you. Let's recap quickly. Get your thyroid tested if you have unexplained fatigue, weight changes, or mood swings. Eat a balanced diet rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc. Manage stress and prioritize sleep. Avoid self-medicating and consult your doctor regularly. You have more control over your thyroid health than you think. It starts with awareness, consistency, and self-care. If this video helped you understand your thyroid better, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health-focused content. Thank you for watching, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.